www.doomandbloom.net, and I'm going to be talking to you today about first-degree burns. We're going to do a two-part series. The second one will involve mostly second degree. We'll talk about third degree just a little bit. But first of all, if you get a burn, the very first thing you need to do is get it cooled off. Now you can do this by a couple of ways. You can either plunge the affected burn area into a bowl of water. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I have just a plain bowl of water. You want this as clean as possible. If you're out in an austere environment, you probably want to have boiled water so that you don't, give any infection to the skin. You can also use drinking water, is just fine, but what you want to do is get it cooled off for at least 10 minutes. Again, you can either put the affected area in a bowl of water, or you can use a water bottle or a pitcher to pour water over the burned area. At least 10 minutes. Once you have the area cooled off, then what you need to do is you're going to try to give some relief to the burning. I have saved some white sheet, and I can use this for strips. I can use this for compresses. This works very well if you do have an area that cannot be easily put into water and it's much larger. You can use cloth. You can also use washcloths to put into the water and just do cool compresses. That will give you the cooling off. Once you've cooled it off, again, you want to give it some relief. Now there are several products that will do that. Witch hazel is one of them. You can either use this as a compress, again, on your cloth or your washcloth, or you can use gauze. Gauze works very well for compresses. So witch hazel is the first product. You can also make a tea. You can use black tea bags. You can also use chamomile tea. Once you've made the tea, again, you're going to produce compresses. If it's a very small area, you can actually just wet the tea bag and apply it directly to the burn. That will help some of the burning sensation. Another really great remedy is vinegar. Now you can either use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. It really doesn't matter. You can use it either as compresses, or you can put vinegar in a bath and soak in it. That helps to draw out the heat, and it does make you feel much more comfortable. Another thing that my mom did when I was a little kid is she would actually take a t-shirt. She would put a bowl of water with some vinegar, soak the t-shirt, and I would wear that. Of course, I would be laying on towels all night, but I would wear that t-shirt and it would really draw away that burn sensation so you can get some sleep. But vinegar works very, very well on first-degree burns. Another thing that's really good are essential oils, and there's two of them that you can apply straight or neat. This means they don't have to be diluted. One of them is tea tree oil, and that's this one, and the other one is lavender. Just use a couple of drops, go ahead and put it on the area, and they work very well to both stop the burn and healing. Another great thing is something called burn gel. Now the reason this works so well is it's got some lidocaine in it. Now you may not know about lidocaine, but this helps to numb the surface area, and this works very, very well. Honey is also known to soothe burns, but usually you can reserve the honey for the second and third degree burns. We also have herbal products. There are several different kinds of salves that are made from herbal products, and usually they do contain some aloe vera and some tea tree oil, which work very well. Silvadene we usually leave for second degree. So basically for first degree, you cool it off and then you give some treatment for pain. You may also give some ibuprofen products, which help reduce the swelling and the redness of the area, and it will make you feel much more comfortable. So that's treatment for first degree burns. I hope nobody has to experience that, but if you do, here are some simple remedies. Oh, one more thing. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is wonderful. It comes in store-bought products, or if you're in a nice tropical area, you can go ahead and just cut off a piece and apply the gel directly to the burn, and aloe vera works really, really well on first degree burns. So in conclusion, cool it off, give some relief either with compresses or with a bath, and give some oral medications such as ibuprofen for the discomfort, and you will get better much faster. Thank you very much from doomandbloom.net. This is Nurse Amy, and we'll talk to you later about second degree burns. Thanks.